This smart personal air conditioner that raised over $1 million on Indiegogo. With this all-in-one personal air conditioner, humidifier, purifier, the EvaSmart 2 basically creates its own microclimate over nearly 40 square feet, perfectly attuned to your specific comfort needs. The unit is less than 9 inches across, so it fits comfortably on a desk, dresser or countertop in any room or office. Fire it up and the EvaSmart 2 uses natural evaporative cooling to lower temperatures and filter harmful dust particles from the air. It's 10 times more efficient than portable air conditioners and up to 20 times more effective than traditional split systems. The unit is also app compatible and works with Amazon Alexa, Google Home and other key smart home platforms. Manage it with mobile app. EvaSmart Evaporative Air Cooler has its own mobile app to manage all the features and all your EvaSmart devices remotely from one place via Wi-Fi. Best of all, the unit only uses 12 W of electricity, meaning a crazy efficient for energy use, which will drive down your power bills in the blistering summer months.